typical Tunisian simple stitch crossed will be worked on 2 stitches. And what you do is you insert your hook in the second one, and then you insert your hook in the first one. You just back up just a tiny bit. So insert your hook in the second one, and then go back into that other one. Now go up to the next 2 stitches. Insert in the second, and then pull up a loop also in the first. And this is just a regular crossed simple stitch, just a plain Jane crossed simple stitch. You're not trying to work backwards or anything, you're just trying to get in that first one and then just double back just a little bit, just reach back just a tiny bit to get under that first one that you skipped. So here are 2 of the stitches. Go into the second one, pull up a loop. Now this could be worked in knit or reverse or any of the stitches, but this one is the simple stitch insertion of just a plain regular cross stitch. And when you close it, now you see those X's? That's where I crossed the stitches. That produces an X. And you just close it the way you normally do, or according to whatever the pattern states. Those are the X's for the crossed stitch.